Good morning, my dear students. I am Sathya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson, Volume 1, Geography Lesson 2, Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. Today's topic, the factors affecting the climate. Introduction. Students, listen here. We drink more water during summer. Do you know? And do not drink the same amount of water during winter. Okay. Why? Why do we wear cotton or lighter cloths during summer season and heavy woolen cloths during winter season, cold weather season in North India? Why do not we wear woolen cloths in South India? Because the prevalence of varying weather condition between North and South India. Because the weather condition of South India vary from North India. Okay. Equable climate. What's the other name of equable climate? Equable climate is also called as the British climate. What are the factors affecting the climate? The climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, monsoon wind, relief features and jet stream. Now we have to see about the first factor, latitude. Latitudinally, India lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. The Tropic of Cancer divides a country into two equal halves. Students, listen here. The Tropic of Cancer divides a country into two equal halves. The world is divided into, for example, the world is divided into two equal halves, north and south. The north half is called northern hemisphere and the south half is called southern hemisphere. The north edge of the imaginary line is called North Pole and south edge of the imaginary line is called South Pole. Here, the area located to the south of the Tropic of Cancer experiences a high temperature and no severe cold season throughout the year. Whereas, the areas to the north of this parallel enjoy subtropical climate. But here the summer temperature may rise above 40 degrees Celsius and it is close to the freezing point during winter. Next, altitude. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called a normal lapse rate. What's a normal lapse rate? Altitude increases. When altitude increases, the temperature decreases. That is normal lapse rate. Hence, places in the mountains are cooler than the places of the plains. Okay. That's why the places located at the higher altitude, even in the South India, have cool climate. For example, Ooty and several other hill stations of South India and of Himalayan ranges like the Mussoorie, Simla, etc. are much cooler than the places located in the Great Plains. For example, mountain areas much cooler than the plain areas. Okay. Next, distance from the sea. A large area of India, especially the peninsular region, is not very far from the sea. And this entire area has a clear maritime influence of climate on climate. What do you mean maritime? Maritime means relating to the sea and to the ships. Okay. This part of the country does not have a very clearly marked winter and the temperature. Temperature is equable almost throughout the year. Areas of central and north India experiences much seasonal variation in the temperature due to the absence of the influence of seas. Summers are hot and winters are cold. The annual temperature at Kochi does not exceed 30 degrees Celsius as its location is on the coast, while it is the highest 40 degrees Celsius at Delhi. Since it is located in the interior part. Air near the coast has more moisture. What do you mean? Moisture? Moisture means wetness. So, air near the coast has more moisture, more wetness and greater potential to produce precipitation. What do you mean? Precipitation is rain, snow, sleet or hail. Due to the fact the amount of rainfall at Kolkata located near the coast is 119 centimeter and it decreases to just 24 centimeter at Bikaner, which is located in the interior part. Next, monsoon winds. What do you mean monsoon? The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mawsim. What do you mean mawsim? Mawsim means season. Originally, this word, the word monsoon, was used by Arab navigators several centuries ago. It is used to describe a system of seasonal reversal of winds along the shores of Indian Ocean, especially over the Arabian Sea. It blows from the southwest to northeast during summer and from the northeast to southwest during winter. The most dominant factors which affects the climate of India is monsoon winds. Okay. These are the seasonal reversal winds and India remains in the influence of the winds are a considerable part of a year. Though the sun rays are vertical over a central part of India during the mid-June. The summer season ends in India by the end of May. Because the onset of the southwest monsoon brings down the temperature of the entire India and causes moderate to heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Similarly, the climate of southeast India is also influenced by northeast monsoon. Next, weather. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. For example, weather of a place may change daily. Let's see.
The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may start raining in the morning, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny.
Next, climate. Climate is the accumulations of daily and seasonal weather events of a given location over a period of 30 to 35 years. For example, climate of a place remains constant over a long period, 30 to 35 years. Let's see.
Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate of a place depends on its average monthly or yearly temperature, average amount of rainfall or snow. Climate influences the type of food people grow and eat, the type of clothes they wear, the type of homes they live in, the types of plants that grow and animals that can live in the region.
Next, relief. Relief of India has a great bearing on major elements of climate, such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, direction of winds, and amount of rainfall. The Himalayas acts as a barrier to the freezing cold. Winds blow from the Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. As such, the North India experiences the tropical climate even during winter. During the southwest monsoon, areas on the western slope of the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall. On the contrary, vast areas of, for example, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lie in rain shadow or leeward side of the Western Ghats. It's receive very little rainfall. During the season, Mangalore, located on the coast, gets the rainfall of about 280 centimeter, whereas the Bangalore, located on the leeward side, receive only about 50 centimeter rainfall. Next, jet stream. Jet stream are the fast moving winds blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. According to the jet stream theory, the onset of the southwest monsoon is driven on the shift of the subtropical, the westerly jet from the plains of India towards the Tibetan plateau. The easterly, the jet streams causes the tropical depressions, both during the southwest monsoons and the retreating monsoons. Students, this lesson is over. Next revision. Students, listen here. I asked some questions from today's topic. Are you ready? First, what are the factors affecting the climate? The climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, monsoon wind, relief features and jet stream. What's a normal lapse rate? When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called normal lapse rate. What's the difference between weather and climate? Weather refers to the state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. Climate is the accumulations of daily and seasonal weather events of a given locations over a period of 30 to 35 years. What are the division of monsoon wind? The monsoon winds can be divided into two. What are they? Northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon. Students, listen here. I give some one more questions. Note it. First one. Equable climate is also called as the dash. Answer. British climate. Second question. The factors affecting the climate can be divided into dash types. Answer 6. Third question. Jet streams are the dash winds blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. Answer fast moving. Next homework. Students, all are take a diary. Note today's homework. Page number 98, 99. Read thoroughly. I will conduct MCQ test tomorrow. We will meet next class. Bye.